Hustler here, and today I'm gonna go on a really quick hot shot. I gotta get this FBA stuff out of my truck, and I also have to drop off something at FedEx. So why not go see 4 thrift stores that are around the area? Let's go. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my spaceship. That's right, it's my spaceship. We are gonna go on a little thrift run, nothing crazy, and I gotta drop off some boxes, but it's all around the same kind of area, so why not? Let's see if we can make some more cheddar. I think I can. Well, let's check it out. I see a spider on my window. Ew, spider, there you are. Get out of my car, buddy. Oh, no, get away. Ah, there you go. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. He just wants a free ride. Wants a free ride to the thrift stores? I don't think so. Little competition cheddar spider? I don't think so. I smell a little bit. I smell some powder. It's just not all the cheddar, but I definitely smell some. Yeah, I think I could give my FedEx thing to this mailman right here. Ooh. Man, I'm gonna give my FedEx thing to this dude. Let's do it. Yeah, it's a really hot day in Austin, Texas. Ooh, is that a Trackhawk? Nope. Oh, man. Oh, it is. Dude, someone's got a Trackhawk in my neighborhood. No way. That was awesome. I've never seen one in real life. There's one back there. Only a geeky guy that knows about speed would know what this car is, or SUV is. Wow, there's one in my neighborhood. And I think I know that guy. Somehow I know. Wow. Maybe I can get a ride in this Trackhawk. Holy crap. Can I buy your Trackhawk for this much money, please? All right, I'm here at the Savers. Let's get out of here and check out if I can find anything. I have no idea. Haven't been to this one in a while. It's been like a week and a half. There seems to be a lot of people in the parking lot, so there could be nothing in this store. Who knows? Get a cart. Ew, 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 ew. Ugh. Looking for any good bags. I don't see any. It's gonna start being jacket season soon, so I'm starting to look for some decent jackets. I would say within a month or two, people are really gonna start buying them off eBay. So I know right now it's been pretty dry. These are pretty cool, but they're they're expensive. But this is definitely the style you need to start looking for in the shoe section. Didn't find anything at Savers. Now I'm walking to this Goodwill. He works out at that gym right there. And he says this Goodwill is really sucking hard now. That's not good for me, but I've found things here before, but not in a while. So maybe it like super sucks now. I don't know. What I do know is it has a Hadouken opportunity. I'm gonna try to take it here. Here we go. Hadouken! Yes. It worked. Yeah. The Carmen San Diego game here. Damn. There's another one. There's a 1993 one as well. I'm gonna pass on those games, but they're pretty neat though, regardless. This is a pretty interesting bag. This is a Rolling Eagle Creek bag. Something you don't see every day. I think it's got a $12.99 sticker on it. This could be a buy right here. Definitely want to check everything, but I mean, everything is looking really good. It's an awesome bag. For $12.99, it's definitely a buy. I'm definitely going to try to flip it, but I ain't gonna lie, I might actually travel with it soon. Yeah, definitely a good buy though. This has got resale of over $100 all day. Yeah, if this was in better condition, this would be a total buy right here. You'll see it in my shoe guide coming up, but this is a really good brand. Hard to see. Snot nubs on nubs. I'll pass on that as well. This is pretty cool. I'll look these up. See what the price is first. 20 bucks. This could be a buy. So I'm definitely popping on those navy boots right there. They're new. Should sell for over 100 bucks. They're 20 bucks here. some bags to bucks here. You can go check that guide out now. It's actually available. I'll put it as the first comment down below if you want to learn more about bags, and well, obviously I'm picking them up all the time. Shoes to bucks, that's really, really important as well. That guide's not out, but perfect example of the kind of stuff you should be picking up in the military category right here. Now see, a lot of times people would not even think twice about this, but this thing is steel toe, US Navy. These are US Navy Gore-Tex Belleville boots, and they're specifically designed to be, I think, on an aircraft carrier if I'm not mistaken. So anyways, pretty awesome, interesting, and they're new. So yeah, Gore-Tex tag, everything's there. I paid 20 for the boots. Should be able to get about 100 to 120 for them. And then this bag should sell for about 100 or more, so pretty good. Now I don't know what E-Money was talking about, but that thing has got plenty of cheddar in it in my book. So what do you guys think down below? Let me know what you think about those two finds. Would you buy that kind of stuff or not? In my last videos, I asked you guys for movie recommendations for sci-fi movies or coming of age movies that I might not have seen. I got so many great replies from you guys and comments. The two that I ended up seeing recently, one was called Enemy with Jake Gyllenhaal in it. What a weird movie, like really on the level of, I won't even spoil it. Like the ending, I had to Google the ending because I was like, I don't know if I really understood everything that was going on, but it was a really good movie, very dark but awesome. I liked it a lot. And then I watched this other one called The Spectacular Now, which is not exactly a current movie, but it's not an old one. It was pretty good. My wife and I enjoyed it. Just a coming of age little movie, pretty cool. But yeah, thanks for all the suggestions, man. Honestly, thanks for all the suggestions. If you have any more awesome movie suggestions or shows that I need to be catching up on, please let me know in the comment. All right, I'm here at the family store. My wife and I, we better have a child tonight. I'm telling you, I got to get a family going, guys. I have to get a little family going, and I want my kids to grow up to be strong, you know. So I'm gonna feed them creatine as much as possible. Got to do that. Yeah, I'm telling you, man. I'm putting BCAAs in their like formula. I'm gonna do the whole 9 yards. They're gonna be like not climbing over the crib. They're gonna be like busting through the crib. It's gonna be great. You know, I really wanted to find some shoes and I wanted to find some bags today. And quite honestly, I didn't expect to find them at that other Goodwill. I expected to find the bags here and the shoes at this next Goodwill that we're going to. So I feel pretty good about today already. Is it TLP? No, but it's gonna be something LP pretty soon. And let's get in there. If you guys ever go to Salvation Armies in your hometown, let me know. Whoa, cool. There's a kayak here. What are these? Really small Solomons for kiddos. Pass. I'm playing Alanis Morissette in here. I approve. Let me see. Gotta make sure. No, too ordinary. Zipper's broken. Kind of yuck. Totally yuck. All right, bag section. Let's see if there's anything good here. It doesn't look like it. No. None of this has to take a very long time, you know? It's so easy to do. I've been doing it for so long that I've got it down to a science. It takes literally like less than a minute. Less than 30 seconds, really. Imagine finding money that fast. Oh, I think E-Money's here. E-Money's here. Emerson, what's up? What are you doing?
Huh? Hustling.
Huh?
Hustling.
You're hustling?
What is it today? Blue and yellow?
Blue and yellow, man.
Yeah, did you see the picture I sent you?
Yeah, I saw the boombox.
Did you know what it is?
Huh? Yeah, it's the GE one that we used to have. I told you.
I know. It's like in perfect condition.
That's awesome.
Bass boost.
That thing's cool. That's what you just bought?
Yeah.
I think it's awesome, dude.
Everything on it. Cool.
Did you go to the Goodwill across the freeway?
No, why are you heading there right now?
Yep, I'm gonna go there. These are interesting. Little fur boots. What are these? Finballs? All right, so I walked in and out of there real quick. I didn't find anything in there except for E-Money. Oh, man. I can't buy and hustle him, though. If I did buy him, hopefully it'd be half off. No, just part him out. Like a mad scientist. Sell them all over the place. Trying to get this FBA thing out of the car. Time to get to the Goodwillio. Last stop of the day. Let's go check it out. I got a really fast pass through the store. So tempted to buy this thing and just wreck it on the trail. Okay, so nothing there, but a really quick pass. I think this hot shot only took like an hour and 15, maybe hour and 30 minutes. That's what I'm talking about. High energy hot shots, the best. That's the way to do it, right there. Small, concentrated hit, make some money, get out, be done with your day, work on other things. All right, reward right here. Juice Land, let's go. So I've been not consuming any sugar, and so there's like they're very limited things that I can have here. But yeah, wanna go get something here? Should be good. I'm excited.
Thank you, have a great day.
All right, you too. So I got a B12 and yerba mate shot sitting right in here. Gosh, I know it's gonna like explode all over my car. But I got this thing, and what do you guys think it looks like? Just take a look at it real quick. Go ahead and tell me what you think this looks like down below. Yeah, I don't know. River water, I don't know. But we're gonna pop the top here and try to save my interior of my car. Cheers, guys, to watching my video, cheering me on for my hustling day. My little small reward. And my small reward, but someone just pulled up right next to me. Hurry up. I mean, I think I'm like really weird. I'm like talking to myself in the car. Come on, get out of here. They're like super close. Don't you be giving me a dirty look. So, yes, there's B12, high concentrated B12 in here and high amounts of yerba mate, which I'm hoping this doesn't keep me up all night. We'll see. It's a shot too. Ooh. It gets like a 75% of 1 What does it taste like? It tastes like highly concentrated, unsweetened tea. Highly concentrated. Now, the real question is, what is the aftermath going to feel like? I don't know. But since it has B12 and energy, I'll take it. There's no sugars in that thing. I'm all about it. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Honestly, it makes me feel good to see the comments rolling in, to see the likes going up. And by the way, hit the like button, by the way. But yeah, it just makes me feel good to have started this channel like 5 years ago, and I still have you guys here, like, you know, hustling with me. We're going forward together, and I'm trying to teach you guys as much as I know. So thanks a lot for all that. I'll definitely see you on the next Bonafide Hustler video. Here's to the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye!